My name is Emily, and I'm 33 years old. I work at a hospital as a nurse. My job is to help people who are sick. I work long hours, both day and night. I love my job because I love helping people. But before last year, my life was lonely. No boyfriend, no husband, no kids, just work. After work, I often visited my aging mother. She lives alone in a small, quiet village. Life was simple, silent, predictable, and very tiring. But then everything changed when Michael arrived. He was the new doctor at her hospital. He's 2 years younger, handsome, kind, and tall. Brown hair, blue eyes, and a warm smile. The nurses liked him. I thought he wouldn't. I'm not slim. I'm ordinary in every way. I don't wear makeup or expensive fancy clothes. My hair is plain. I work, eat, sleep. Men like Michael, they don't notice women like me. But somehow Michael did notice me. It started with small smiles and little chats. He asked how I was feeling every day. He looked at me like I mattered, somehow. One day, Michael offered me a ride home. We talked the whole way. Work, life, family. He was easy to talk to. So kind. After that, it became a regular thing. Coffee at work, long talks during lunch breaks. I looked forward to seeing him every day. Slowly, I realized I was falling for him. One weekend, he asked me to a movie. Of course, I said yes without thinking twice. Afterwards, we walked, talked, laughed for hours together. For a moment, it felt like something real. But then Michael shattered my little happiness quietly. "Emily, I need to tell you something. I'm married." That's what he said to me. I couldn't believe it. Married? All this time? No ring, no mention, no signs of anyone. Married for 5 years. Her name is Laura. No children, no happiness, different lives, different interests. But with you, I feel alive again. That's what he said as I sat speechless. I didn't know how to feel or respond. Why me? Why now? Why this situation? I couldn't sleep. I kept questioning myself. A few days later, fate gave me answers. I saw them together, Michael and Laura, in a supermarket, laughing, looking so perfect. She was beautiful, elegant, tall like a model, expensive clothes, soft smile, everything I'm not. They looked happy. I felt heartbroken and ashamed. I rushed home, confused, hurt, and deeply sad. Why did he want me if he had her? What was I even doing in this mess? I thought about it all night, sleeplessly. I couldn't face being the other woman. The next day at work, I confronted him. "Michael, we need to talk, right now." He smiled, confused, like nothing was wrong. "I saw you with your wife yesterday. You looked happy. Why are you with me?" His face dropped. His smile slowly faded. "Emily, I'm not happy. Not truly. No. With Laura, there's no connection. Only silence. With you, I can finally be myself." But I knew this wasn't right for me. I told him I needed space and time. He said he understood. He seemed so sad. I turned to my best friend Sarah next. She's always honest. She told me the truth. "Emily, don't settle for half of someone's heart. You deserve someone who can love you fully." She was right. I needed to choose myself. A week later, Michael asked to meet again. We sat in a quiet, lonely park together. "Michael, I care for you, but this ends. You must decide what you truly want. If not her, then end it cleanly. But I won't be your secret anymore." He looked hurt, but finally he understood everything. "I just want you to be happy." That's what he said before we said goodbye. I walked home with tears in my eyes. but also with strength building inside my heart. Sometimes life breaks us to teach us truth. And the truth is, I deserve real love, not half, not hidden, not stolen. Real. Because if someone can't choose you fully, then they don't deserve to have you halfway.